Minister Ashwini Vaishnav also told about other decisions that have been taken, whether it's strengthening infrastructure and connectivity in the northeastern part of India or the pro-farmer decisions that have been taken by the Modi government. The Union Minister enlisted all of them. But the big decision that has come out of this briefing is that the centre will be carrying out a caste census. It will be included in the national census. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the big takeaway from this cabinet briefing by Union Minister Ashwini Vaishnav. My colleague Madhav is joining us on the broadcast with more on this. Madhav, huge decision there by the centre, caste census being included in the census.
Absolutely. In fact, the census will now also enumerate the caste. That is something very specifically that has been decided at today's CCPA meeting. That is what has been stated there by the Union Minister. They have referred to how opposition parties have raked up this issue for their own political reasons in the past. And of course, we all remember how leaders such as Rahul Gandhi have, for instance, given out slogans such as Jitni Abadi Utna Haq. We have seen how he has said that the constitution is not being upheld by the current regime under the Prime Minister. So on and so forth. There have been a number of such political commentary that has come in from various political parties in the opposition, including the Congress, including the Samajwadi Party, etc. But now, of course, the government going out to announce that there will indeed be the enumeration of castes as well as far as the census is concerned is a massive announcement coming in from the centre. They are trying to neutralize the arguments that have come in thus far from various political parties of the opposition. And the next census, whenever it happens, and of course, sources are to be believed, they in fact have indicated it could be as early as next year or the year after. In such a situation, of course, this becomes a very, very important factor. What will happen post this particular census and enumeration of castes remains to be seen, but certainly, of course, it's a big move, and certainly a lot of positioning that is being seen as far as scheduled castes, OBCs, etc. are concerned, because there is repeatedly a political rhetoric that they are not getting the due share in terms of representation, and that is clearly one grievance that the government has chosen, that it will now have to undo by the announcement of this kind of a caste enumeration as far as the census is concerned. Back to you, Shreya.
Madhav, I'll come back to you right now on the broadcast, viewers. I'm also joined by Pragya and Mohit, tracking the developments in the national capital. Pragya, to you first. A big decision by the Modi government approving the caste census, caste enumeration as part of the census. What more details do you have?
Well, this is a very crucial decision as far as Bihar polls are also concerned. Remember, there is also an issue of caste census that Bihar opposition parties are raising, and RJD also is speaking about it along with the Congress. And Congress has always cornered BJP on this caste census issue. Rahul Gandhi has been speaking about it everywhere. BJP does not want to divide the society on basis of caste, and this is exactly the reason why BJP has now come. In fact, the government has now decided that when there is a population enumeration, there will be caste included in it. Caste census will be part of it. So it's a very, very big decision. Obviously, a very big political step. I would say the government has decided that a caste is going to be a part of the population enumeration. Now, this will also settle the debate of caste census that the opposition has been demanding. And, there is also a factor that has been made, a point that has been raised by Union Minister of INB, where he said that some states have done surveys. Not just caste census, but they have done caste surveys, and some did it very well. Some of them are NDA states, but others have done it in a non-transparent manner, thereby saying that there is a lot of lacuna in it, and caste census is a thing that falls under the purview jurisdiction of central government, and this is the exact reason why central government is mandated with the caste census, and it will do it, but it will do it along with the upcoming population enumeration.
Yes.